Previously on Kaijudo.
Mighty Shouter!
Quillspike rumblers go down fast.
I am no Quillspike.
Shouter here, Quillspike territory under heavy siege.
You return to your ancestral land, just in time to see it swallowed by an Earth Eater.
Surely the other tribes would come to your aid.
Tribes do not always help one another. Unless we had the Shield of Unity.
Okay, so where do we find the shield?
You earn it by winning the Nature Civilization's dueling games.
Okay, Choten, why are you so interested in little Snowy? Ray! Mom! The snow sprite is working for the Choten!
Guru? Kanina, the trees!
Midnight Crawler is eating its way out of the trap! That's bad. Oh, great. Just great. Now what?
I'm afraid Bare Bottom and his tiny friend are our only hope now.
Suguru, why are you pretending to be a snow sprite?
Enough interruptions! The 4 remaining champions must race to retrieve the Great Shield of Unity from atop the mountain.
Does he mean the top of the stadium? I don't see any mountain. Oh, that mountain.
But first, they must pass through the Great Hindering Jungle. Brave champions, the Shield of Unity is yours for the taking. Begin!
Should prove to be a spirited competition, no?
Wow, look who crawled out of the shadows. I know Suguru is working for you. Just can't figure out why.
Tell your pet to heal.
Chill, Squeaky.
I was talking to the darkness creature. As for Suguru, I'm merely his sponsor. Like you, I'm only here to watch my champion. Surely there's no harm in that.
Long as you don't mind watching Ray kick your champion's butt.
Yes. A child will defeat an expert warrior who has survived for years in the nature realm. What a firm grasp on reality you have.
So what's your big plan? Let Suguru do all the work and you collect the prize? For a change? What's so funny?
Your total lack of respect for authority. Well, it's not surprising, I suppose. Weak father, runaway mother. Where would you have learnt any?
Don't, Squeaky! Probably just make you puke.
We're gonna snag that shield, Bob.
You better snag him first.
What was that about?
Survival of the fittest. Quicksand.
So we honor the humans, Gabriel and Chavez. Your bodies may have been small, your backs smooth, but your hearts were pure Quillspike. Now, back to work, everyone. that Earth Eater won't be waiting on us.
So this is the inside of an Earth Eater.
In here, see it. Sign off now.
Agreed. Gabriel, banish Gargle, and we can go with him.
That would be very bad. We would drown and be crushed in the depths of the water civilization.
Fair point. Very well. I'll get us out of here. Heal of Flame, the Assaulter! Heal of Flame, the Assaulter!
Is there anything in the tablets about not being able to summon a creature from inside another creature?
Not that I'm aware of. Perhaps opening up the veil.
Our mana can't get through. Must be getting blocked by that. Is this a hybrid reactor, Gargle?
This engine is source of Midnight Crawler's power. Water civilization high-tech geniuses. Turn all this into fuel.
So, how does it get into the environment?
We're almost at the mountain, just through those trees.
Treakin.
Hey, Frosty, got any ideas? Because now would be good. Nice! Your turn, Bob. Yes!
Oh, come on, guys. Where are you? That's them! Go, Ray! Go, Bob! Go! Well, hey, Choten, who's that? Looks like your boy is working with my boys. Where'd he go now?
Come on, we got this! Is this part of the competition?
No. Who dares steal our shield?
Stop him!
We gotta find Ray. Okay, that's useful.
Quick, up here!
What?
I am in your debt. Both of you.
Think Bare Bottom will win the shield?
Doesn't stand a chance.
Don't give up on your brother. Not when so much is at stake.
Got you, thief! Where'd thief go?
He's become invisible. This way.
Dude, why are you stopping?
Shh. I smell him. Got him.
Ray! Bob! Don't trust the guru! He's working for the Choten!
All this walking in nowhere is making me hungry.
You should have eaten a bigger breakfast.
Well, actually, increasing ingestion first thing in the morning slows me down. Ooh. Yes. Yes. No. Yes! Maybe we can fight this thing from in here. Gargle, that reactor can only digest so much at one time, right?
Ah, correct. Conveyor belt, one big regulator. So midnight crawler not get indigestion.
But if we jam everything in at the same time...
Reactor not handle everything at once. Reactor overload. Midnight crawler go... with us inside.
Then at least we go out fighting.
He went through here. We'll have to go around.
Wait.
You're giving orders now. Got him. Bottom of those rocks.
Let's blast him.
Risky. I still can't see him.
Better to make the invisible visible.
Hey, Bob. Top of the ridgeline. Lots of loose gravel and dirt. It'd make a real mess. I see him. All right, team. Let's get the shield.
Stay where you are, thief.
Seneschal?
So, your master doesn't trust me to complete my mission.
Wait, what? You're working for the Choten? Oh man, I'm so gullible. I thought you were in our debt.
I am sorry, but this is bigger than you and me.
It's not bigger than me!
Should've known Seguru would turn on us.
I knew it!
Squeaky, follow that dragonfly.
Bob, you're not gonna like this.
What? Get off my tail!
Bob, the shield! Rockets!
Get closer.
Why are you working for the Choten?
I have no choice. He holds the key to who I am.
What? What's that supposed to mean? I'm not letting you take the shield! Whoa!
Is it gone?
Into the darkness realm.
Seguro!
Your efforts were valiant, but it seems the Shield of Unity has returned to the Earth, from which all things grow and to which all things return. There is to be no winner this day.
We have to go. We have an Earth Eater to stop. Somehow.
But without the shield, we can't command anyone else in the nature civilization to help us.
Maybe. But I will not let my family be destroyed without a fight.
You didn't get the shield?
Nice work, Spikeless.
Now what are we gonna do?
I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Get eaten up just like their little friends did.
They what?
I'm sorry about your friends, but we have no time to grieve now. Midnight Crawler returns!
Today, we stand with Quillspike.
But we don't have the shield.
Shield bring us together anyway.
Today, we are all creatures of one nature civilization.
So let's send this midnight crawler crawling back to the sea!
Ready to do this? Me neither.
Is that?
They're alive! All right!
I knew I could count on you.
Huh. Good thing our mana shields worked inside that thing's disgusting stomach.
You want disgusting? I was sitting in a bug, next to the Choten.
You win.
Don't you have something to say to your brother?
Good going, Bear Bottom. I mean, Tatsurian. I know how much you hate your Quillspike name.
I am proud to be of the Quillspike, but just call me Bob.
Time to go home, young warriors.
Bare bottom.
Your failure cost me the shield, my friend. And this is the price for failing me.
You are no friend.
But I do have your memories. And if you want them back, from now on, you'll do exactly as I say.
Previously on Kaijudo.
Okay, just give me my dad back now. Actually, I think I'll keep him for a bit. Razorkinder, back to the darkness! Dad! Dad!
Artie, we need to talk.
It's a nightmare. Just gotta wake up. Gotta stay connected.
Artie, we need to talk.
I know, sweetie. I want to talk. I get it now. I know why you left. You just needed to find yourself.
Artie, we need to talk.
And we will talk, Piper. I'm gonna find you and Allie, and we're all gonna be together again. Promise.
Artie, I need to talk. Artie, I need to talk.
No.
Artie, we need to talk.
Piper? Is that you?
Shh, I'm here. Everything's going to be just fine.
Oh, sweetie. I knew I'd find you. And as soon as we find Allie, we can be a family again.
It goes without saying that locating Allison's father is our top priority.
So why aren't Masters Kimura and Brightmore coming?
Their creatures of nature and light will be at a disadvantage in the Darkness realm. And they are natural enemies to the Darkness creatures we will encounter.
They will remain in reserve to prepare our escape, if necessary.
Sounds like Duel Master business as usual. Did I say something wrong?
She's just worried about her dad. We're gonna find him, Allie, and we will bring him home safe. I swear.
I have made arrangements to meet a contact in the Darkness realm. Its information is reliable, if not its character.
This place is just as charming as I remembered.
Duel Master Jaha. It's been ages. Literally.
You have information, Slythe?
Rumors mostly. Whispers of an adult human male sighted in the territory of Magaria.
Why did it have to be her?
So can you take us to this Magaria or not?
The journey is quite far. You will require transportation.
I will not ride a darkness creature.
I can't think of one we could ride.
Way ahead of you. Locomotivator of Blink Trestles!
Allison, no!
You possess neither the strength nor the experience to summon such a creature.
She won't know unless she tries.
I can do it! I will do it! All aboard.
You and I are kindred, Allison. Your mana grows strong in the darkness.
This isn't darkness, it's focus. Nothing will stop me from finding my father.
Earth Stomp Giant?
What's he doing here?
He seeks the shield of unity. Those nature creatures have attacked our realm ever since they lost their most powerful artifact down here.
Return to the nature realm, Giant! We do not have your shield!
Forget it. It's like talking to a statue. Actually, it's a lot like talking to a statue.
Enough talk. Locomotivator, full steam ahead.
I take it back! Not like a statue! Definitely nothing like a statue!
Hey, where are you going?
I prefer not to get involved with these inter-civilization disputes.
Allison, the darkness in you cannot overcome every obstacle.
I won't know unless I try. Scare Adorable of Gloom Hollow! No time for hugs, Squeaky. I need you to speak to Stonezilla in a language he can understand. Everyone hang on tight! Locomotivator, pedal to metal.
Get down! Low bridge.
Guys? Low Bridge is on the move!
Tatsurian the Unchained!
Earth Stomp Giant, eh?
Long story.
Tell it to me later.
We need reinforcements. Healer Flame, the Assaulter!
Airborne reinforcements. Aqua Chaser Rusaka!
How do we stop this thing? Drop a house on it?
Not a house, but a cave! Everyone, direct your attacks on the tunnel ceiling!
I know we're in trouble. Just get out there and help fight the giant.
Check out the big brain on Gabe!
Allison, are you all right?
I'm fine. Come on. Come on! Start already!
This creature is part machine. It won't require just a healer. It will require a mechanic.
I happen to know a good one.
Ooh, doggo fix! Darkness civilization loaded with spare parts. Attempting reboot? Please wait.
Sorry, I'm not doing please wait.
How will you find your father now that our guide has abandoned us?
I never abandon my charges. I merely possess an elevated sense of self-preservation.
Then take me to my father. Now!
You cannot enter darkness without darkness entering you. But you need not make this journey alone.
We're going too.
You stay, Squeaky. I have enough on my plate as it is. Don't make me banish you! I said stay!
Did you really have to be so harsh with Squeaky?
It was for her own good. You can't let anyone get too close. They only abandon you in the end.
So, I remember you telling me your mom split just before your 10th birthday, right?
This has nothing to do with my mom.
You're not the only one living in a single-parent household. I know what it feels like to be abandoned.
As do I. But I've learned the value of trusting a good friend.
And you can trust that we won't let you lose both your parents. How much further, Slythe?
This bodes ill.
It's all right. These are adult versions of Squeaky, so they should be friendly.
I'm not waiting to find out.
Squeaky? You followed me? Oh, hugs and love. No, I'm not gonna banish you. I just didn't know we'd pass through your old neighborhood.
Gloom Hollow sure lives up to its name.
So, you gonna introduce me to your mom? Hey, where are you taking her?
What'd she say?
I do not speak Gloom Hollowite.
She says the one you call Squeaky is the runt of the litter. And as such, she is to be offered as a sacrifice to Empress Magaria.
How can you just stand there? How can you abandon your child?
You furries better step off!
The darkness burns within you, child, but it can also blind you. Remember your goal, Allison. Remember your father. None of this anger will help you find him.
Tell them I want to make an offer. Tell them I will deliver Squeaky to Magaria myself.
We're heading there anyway.
That was easier than I thought.
Easier for them, perhaps. The route to Magaria's palace is treacherous. Few Gloom Hollowites have survived the journey to pay their tribute. They are quite content to let someone else do their dirty work.
So, what's your plan?
Protect Squeaky and find my dad. You in or out?
We're in.
Reboot complete. Continue. Exit.
Definitely continue. Way to pimp our ride, guys.
You will need every advantage. Magaria has countless enemies, all of whom would be eager to get their hands on her tribute.
Not while I'm around.
Admirable. But if it's all the same to you, I think I'll set out this suicide mission. This creature now looks quite able to carry you to your doom. Your destination. So about my payment. A rare specimen of delicate beauty. It can grow in the light or be consumed by darkness. Which will you choose?
I choose to stay focused on my goal. Now, let's see what this ride can do. Don't you worry, Squeaky. I'll talk our way out of Megaria's palace just like I talked our way out of Lord Skycrusher's palace.
Earthquake? Doesn't feel like any seismic tremor I've ever experienced.
Warning! Worm virus uploading! This is malware downloading! System crash is coming!
Living dead! Dead ahead!
Anti-aircraft mode!
I assume you mean this!
Rusalka! Psionic attack!
Hit a flame! Keep them off us!
Squeaky, look out!
Black feather of shadow abyss!
Noob! Gargle is elite! Yeah!
We are elite? This is a two-player game, remember?
We must protect Allison. If she is defeated, Locomotivator will be banished, and we with it.
Rusalka! Go to his defense!
Get away from her!
Allison!
Allie!
Ray, wait!
Oh, great, they're gone! You alright?
Well, let's see. We're stranded in the darkness realm, low on mana, and I'll probably never see my father again. No, I'm not all right.
Allie? Allie! Is that really you?
Dad?
Oh, everything's good now, sweetheart. We can all be together again.
Dad! Stay there! We're gonna get you out of here!
She wants to see you. Yeah, come inside.
Dad, wait! Who wants to see me? What? Come inside where?
Right.
Dad, don't go in there!
Allie, wait! Allie!
Dad? Dad?
Honey, we need to talk.
Oh, that sounds like... Mom?
Oh, I've missed you so much, Allison. I never should have walked out on you and your dad. I just hope you can forgive me for all the hurt I've caused with my selfishness. 'Cause I'll never be able to forgive myself.
That is exactly what I've always wanted to hear my mother say. Which is how I know you can't possibly be her.
Of course not, my darling. I'm much better than that abandoning old witch.
And unlike your real mother, I intend to keep you close. Forever. It's been so long since I've had a gauntlet-wearing, creature-dueling human. The last one was extremely rude. You'll make a fine addition to my collection.
Would that collection include this?
Oh, that old shield? Just a little something that dropped in from the nature realm. Many things drop in. Well, imagine my luck. 3 humans within the span of a few hours? Although you two are in much better condition than the first one.
Dad! What have you done to him? Why is he like this? Let him go, you phony!
He is somewhat damaged goods. I would consider releasing him in exchange for my tribute.
No one touches Squeaky. Take me instead.
Why should I?
Look at my dad. You said he's damaged goods. And Squeaky can't be that valuable. She's what,
A delicacy.
Seriously? Ew. Hugs for my dad, Squeaky. Gently. Look, Empress, you know I'm a Kaijudo duelist. And I know you've dreamed of having your very own Duel Master obeying your every command, right? Okay, Squeaky. Now, hugs for Ray.
Guards. Your offer is amusing, Allison. But I'd rather keep the whole collection together. It's worth more to me that way.
Yeah, no. That just doesn't work for me, Your Highness. Ray, I'm sorry.
Allie?
Squeaky, hugs!
Allie, no!
No! What have you done? Where are they?
Far away from you, Mom.
You're a very bad girl, Allison.